If you own a sports car or high-performance muscle car, there's a good chance the manual transmission was made by Tremec. But as the auto industry shifts towards electrification, so is Tremec. The company is in the process of developing a lightweight and compact two-motor electric drive unit, or EDU, for electric sports cars that will give performance enthusiasts the same thrill as driving an old-school gasoline-powered machine. Since 1964, Tremec has been dedicated in manufacturing automobile transmissions and powertrain components for the aftermarket and OEMs. Now, it's using its expertise in precision manufacturing to introduce a high-performance torque vectoring electronic drive unit for EVs.
Internal combustion engine cars are historically known by their engine, the engine sound, the engine performance, how it handles. You lose some of that in electric vehicles, and we want to be able to bring that back into the customers, give the OEMs the DNA that those vehicles want in an electric vehicle as well.
Even though its EDU is only in the development stage, the initial design is complete. Tremec designed the EDU small enough to fit in existing vehicles with very little change to the chassis. In other words, it can replace a traditional engine and transmission without the car needing a redesign. Matt says Tremec is currently working to validate the performance and efficiency numbers against computer models, and so far engineers are seeing promising results.
We think we can provide a OEM quality product, just like we've done in our manual transmissions, to those consumers who really want to take that power step, whether it's because they want to do it for green, whether they want to do it because that's what the regulations in their state are going to drive to, or they just want something that's a unique driving experience. I think that's one of the beauties of the aftermarket, is you can do what you want to your car that makes it what you want.
Tremec says later this year it will install the new EDU in at least one high-performance vehicle and begin real-world testing. Then, following that, Tremec will open its order books. And within the next 3 years, Tremec hopes to be able to go into full production. Matt also mentioned as time goes on, Tremec will work toward educating the public on how to install EDU safely. Thanks so much for joining us, and make sure to tune in tomorrow.